If you want more clarity, mental growth, relaxation and happiness, subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss our future videos. Most people love the idea of restoring their youthful energy when they get older. It's human nature to not want to age in body and mind, and there are many ways that a person can slow down the aging process. Some people select meditation and yoga classes, while other people choose to take herbs when it comes to restoring energy levels. Today, we're going to be discussing some foods that can restore youthful energy levels in older adults. Number 1, drinking red grape juice. Red grape juice can help to restore youthful energy in later years because it has an anti-aging compound in it called Resveratrol. What this compound does is to help prevent the aging process from being so harsh on a person, resulting in added energy levels throughout the day. Exactly how much red grape juice should a person be drinking every day? Well, we recommend a small glass for breakfast and another small glass of red grape juice later in the evening or night. Eating blueberries. Did you know that blueberries also have that same anti-aging compound? A handful of blueberries starting in the morning and one ending in the evening will be enough to do the trick. Cranberries. Cranberries can also have similar results. You probably wouldn't think so, but just a handful of cranberries, or really any type of berry, can affect someone's life quite dramatically, but it can if you eat them on a consistent basis. And finally, drinking green tea. This is an amazing thing to do when it comes to fighting off the harsh properties of aging and restoring energy throughout your older years. Green tea, or matcha, is full of antioxidant properties. It's amazing for treating a person's aging process and restoring specific energy levels in a person's body when they start to develop into old age. It's recommended that a person drink 2 cups of green tea per day, once in the morning to start the day off and once more before bedtime.